If you're still trying to figure out how to make your first $1,000 with digital products, start here. I launched this digital product business bundle with 5 high-converting templates all ready for you to rebrand and resell as your own. Here's a look at what's inside the bundle. 1, the monthly budget tracker. 2, the annual budget tracker. 3, the 12-month weight loss tracker. 4, the monthly habit tracker. And finally, the annual habit tracker. All trackers are fully themed in multiple colors, with tutorials included in both video and PDF format, so neither you nor your customers need to figure anything out alone. But that's just one part of the bundle. Here's the rest of what's inside. 1, a marketing guide. This book breaks down each tracker's features and benefits so you can confidently describe, market, and sell them. 2, a sales guide. This book shows you exactly where to sell your trackers, breaking down the 4 best platforms I've personally tested. 3, a packaging guide. This book gives you practical tips on how to bundle, price, and present your templates for maximum profit. 4, an upload and launch checklist guide. This book walks you through the entire upload to launch process. You'll also get a private label rights license to edit and sell these templates as your own, plus access to our private Facebook community, and you'll have direct support from me if you ever need help. This bundle gives you a head start. It's made for anyone who wants to generate income passively without starting from zero. Now let's talk money. If you price each template at $10 to $15 or sell a bundle for $30 to $70, you'll only need 3 to 5 sales to fully recover what you spent on the bundle. Once you've covered your costs, the rest is yours 100%. Because it's a digital business, you only need to upload the files once, and you can resell those same templates endlessly without spending another dime. Now here's the thing. To protect the resale potential, I'm only releasing these templates in controlled batches. As soon as a batch fills up, I'll close it down temporarily so early buyers can get a solid head start. So if you're here now, you're seeing this before most people even know it exists. Click the link in my description, grab your business bundle, and join the next cohort before doors close. Or just comment send, and I'll send the link straight to you.